Flex Rent Payment Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but paying rent through Flex in 2025 is not just about convenience, it can also impact your credit, rewards, and budgeting strategy if used correctly. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Flex Rent Payments, how it works, its fees, benefits, drawbacks, and whether it's really worth it for you. Let's start with the basics. Flex is a service that allows renters to pay their monthly rent using a credit card, debit card, or bank account. It's designed to offer flexibility for tenants who want to manage cash flow, earn rewards on credit card payments, or automate their rent payments. Unlike traditional bank transfers or checks, Flex acts as an intermediary, processing your payment and sending it to your landlord on time. Now, the surprising truth about Flex: while it offers convenience, it's not free. Many people assume that paying with a credit card through Flex is just like swiping at a store, but there are processing fees involved. Typically, these fees range from 2.5% to 3.5% per transaction when using a credit card. For debit card or bank account payments, the fees may be lower, often around 1%. Understanding these fees is crucial because they can add up over the course of a year. So why would someone still choose Flex despite the fees? The key reasons are flexibility, credit building, and rewards. For instance, if you're using a credit card that earns 2% cashback or points, you may offset part of the fee. Let's do the math. If your rent is $1,500 and the Flex fee is 3%, that's $45. If your credit card earns $30 in rewards, you're still paying $15 extra, but you're gaining convenience, on-time payment, and potential credit benefits. Many people overlook the fact that using Flex can help you meet minimum spend requirements on new credit cards or earn valuable rewards without missing a rent payment. Step by step, here's how Flex works in 2025. Step 1. Sign up for Flex. You'll need to create an account and verify your identity. Flex will also ask for your landlord's information to ensure payments are routed correctly. Step 2. Link your payment method. You can add a credit card, debit card, or bank account. Most users choose a credit card to maximize rewards, but using a bank account is cheaper in terms of fees. Step 3. Schedule your payment. Flex allows you to set up automatic payments, choose a one-time payment, or schedule a future payment. This flexibility is one of its strongest features, especially for tenants with variable income. Step 4. Confirm and pay. Once scheduled, Flex processes your payment and sends it to your landlord. Most payments are delivered on the same day or within one business day, depending on your payment method. Step 5. Track your payment. Flex provides a dashboard to monitor upcoming and completed payments, ensuring you never miss a rent due date. One of the most overlooked benefits of Flex is its impact on credit. By reporting your rent payments to credit bureaus, Flex can help you build a positive credit history. In 2025, this is particularly valuable because rent is a significant monthly expense that traditionally doesn't influence your credit score. By using Flex, on-time payments can be reported and may improve your FICO or Vantage score over time. This is the kind of feature that many people don't know about, but can have a long-term financial benefit. However, there are some drawbacks. First, the fees can be a deal-breaker for some users. If your rent is high and your rewards don't offset the fees, you could be spending more than necessary. Second, not all landlords accept Flex, so it's crucial to confirm before signing up. Third, while Flex offers convenience, relying solely on it could cause issues if your payment method fails or if there's a technical problem. Always have a backup plan. Another common question is, can Flex handle partial payments? The answer is yes, but with conditions. You can split your rent across multiple payment methods, but the landlord must accept partial payments. Most people get this wrong. They assume Flex can automatically divide payments across accounts regardless of the landlord's policy, but that's not the case. Always check with your property management before splitting payments. For budgeting, Flex can be a game changer. You can align your rent payment with your pay schedule, avoiding late fees and helping with cash flow management. Some users link their Flex account to budgeting apps, allowing them to automatically track expenses, categorize rent payments, and forecast upcoming bills. This makes it easier to plan for other financial goals, like savings or debt repayment. Let's discuss customer service and reliability. In 2025, Flex offers 24/7 customer support via chat and email. Most users report quick responses and effective resolution of issues, such as failed payments or incorrect processing. However, a few users have experienced delays during peak rent season, so it's smart to schedule payments a few days early to avoid problems. Now, let's analyze the value proposition. Is Flex worth it in 2025? The answer depends on your financial goals. If you're a rewards enthusiast with a credit card that gives substantial cash back or points, Flex can be worth it even with the fees. You're essentially leveraging your rent payment for rewards you'd earn anyway. If your main goal is convenience and avoiding late fees, Flex is also valuable. The automated payment feature ensures your rent is always paid on time, which can prevent late charges and stress. If your goal is purely cost saving, Flex may not be the best choice. Using a bank transfer or direct debit to your landlord may be cheaper and just as effective without the fees. Here's a practical example. Sarah pays $2,000 rent per month. Using Flex with a 3% fee on her credit card costs her $60, but her card earns 2% cash back, getting her $40 in rewards. Net cost, $20 per month, or $240 per year. In exchange, Sarah enjoys on-time payments, credit reporting, and convenience. For her, Flex is worth it. For someone with tighter finances and minimal rewards, the extra $240 per year may outweigh the benefits. A bonus tip: consider timing your payments. Some credit cards offer category bonuses during certain months. By paying rent through Flex during those periods, you could maximize your rewards. Another overlooked feature is the ability to consolidate rent payments if you're renting multiple properties. Flex allows you to manage all payments from one platform, reducing administrative hassle and tracking errors. This can save significant time and stress over the year. In conclusion, Flex rent payment in 2025 is a powerful tool for renters who want flexibility, rewards, and credit building opportunities. It's not perfect. Fees are the main downside, but for many users, the benefits outweigh the costs. By understanding how it works, scheduling payments strategically, and choosing the right payment method, you can maximize the value of Flex. Whether your priority is convenience, building credit, or earning rewards, Flex offers a streamlined solution that fits modern financial needs. Most people get this wrong by either ignoring fees or underestimating the credit building benefits. By taking a thoughtful approach, you can use Flex to manage your rent smarter, save time, and potentially improve your financial health over time. Ultimately, whether Flex is worth it or leave it comes down to your unique situation. If you want to combine convenience, rewards, and credit benefits in one platform, it's certainly worth considering. If minimizing costs is your top priority, evaluate other options. Either way, understanding how Flex works in 2025 is essential for making the right decision for your money.